Alrighty guys, what's going on today? So today I'm going to be talking to you all about the LifeMade mobile power charging station family packs. I have one of these on right now. So you can see right here, the rest of them are actually being used by my brother, my sister, and my dad. And yeah, these are really, really cool. I got this little charging bank maybe about, I don't know, a year ago. I got it. And it's very, very inexpensive, which is one thing that I really love. But great because it basically provides you with different little packs that you can use on the go. You can take it to go camping a lot, which is great. Traveling, whatever you do, basically provides a way for you to do that on the go, which is super, super cool. Essentially, you get different power packs. Again, this is the orange one. It does come with a green, red, and blue one as well. And then you basically can sit them on your dock, and they'll sit here, they'll charge on your dock, and you can take these with you and charge your smartphone with them using USB. That's right here, and it charges with the microUSB, so that's what you're actually seeing on the dock. Charges with the micro, and then charges your phone with your regular USB. So you can use these on any cell phone, any smartphone, or really any phone, I guess, because they mostly all charge with USBs. Each of the power packs, it's pretty lightweight, and I definitely have lighter ones that I've used before. But the ones that I have that are lighter, they've all come in single packs. So I bought them just as basically little squares, little bricks. But I mean, really for like what they are, they're pretty lightweight, pretty small, they have a pretty slim profile, definitely not as slim as a cell phone, but slim enough where you can pretty much just, store them away, in a small pocket of a bag or whatever, and just have them around, which is pretty nice. They have a built-in battery on the inside, and then also some lights, as you can see, that light up right here. Lights are cool. They basically show you that how much it's actually charged up. And then they have this weird, it's like a flashlight right here. You can see the little insignia right there. It says it's a flashlight. At least that's what it says in the manual for like nighttime use. Although it doesn't really work that well, so I don't really know. A little odd, but I don't know. It's there. So yeah, I wouldn't really trust that it's a flashlight, even though it says that. Definitely not bright enough to really be used as a legitimate or practical flashlight. But yeah, as I said, these do come in different colors. Obviously, I only have the orange one on the dock right now. The rest of them are being used. But that's kind of cool because you can, you always know which ones are going. And yeah, especially if you have multiple of these, you know that the 4 different colors belong to this dock. I don't know, just cool that they come in different colors. I guess it makes it a little more interesting. There's also these 2 USB ports, as you can see right here. These are attached to the base of the actual unit. And so, if you're at home, you can also use the actual base for charging 2 phones at once. Pretty cool little thing. So, just keep it on the counter. Anyone who comes into the kitchen or whatever, just boom, plug their phone in, and you're pretty much good to go. It'll be charging. Pretty much all you have to do is plug these little packs into the base, let them charge. They charge really, really fast. Every time I use them, I've charged them overnight just to make sure that they get a full charge. Although really they only take an hour-ish or so to really get a good charge. And when you're out on the go, they last pretty long. I mean, I've used them for long camping trips on the weekend. And, I've used them for three days, just kind of charging here and there. I've never really had an issue with them running out yet. I imagine over time that they'll die, but so far they've been pretty cool. The base itself is pretty lightweight too. It's very, very easy to haul around anywhere. It really feels kind of plasticky, honestly. So it's funny to me that it's such it charges things so well because it's so finicky. But it does the job. And obviously in the back you have AC adapter right here. So this is pretty typical. You can use an AC adapter, and it comes with one. But even if you lose or break or whatever, something happens with that one, you can use any AC adapter that you have. Other than that, very nifty little device overall. Cool little charging station, and if you need, battery packs for your phone for any reason at all, I would highly recommend this thing. Again, this is the LifeMade Family Pack mobile power charging station, and yeah, go check it out. Alrighty guys, take it easy.